Hello everyone. Today we will discuss RRB Staff Nurse 2016 Old Question Paper MCQs Practice Set 11. So let's get started. Which of the following is the first step in disaster management? Correct answer is D. Assessment. Assessment involves identifying potential hazards and evaluating vulnerabilities. It is the foundation for effective disaster planning and response. Next question. Which of the following is considered an occupational hazard for healthcare workers? Correct answer is B. Needle stick injury. Healthcare workers are at risk of needle stick injuries due to frequent exposure to blood-borne pathogens such as HIV and hepatitis B per C. Next question. An irritational and excessive fear of closed spaces is known as. Correct answer is B. Claustrophobia. Claustrophobia is a type of anxiety disorder characterized by an intense fear of being in confined or enclosed spaces. Next question. A person repeatedly washing hands due to fear of germs is exhibiting symptoms of. Correct answer is C. Obsessive compulsive disorder. OCD involves recurrent obsessions, example fear of germs, and compulsions, example hand washing performed to reduce anxiety. Next question. Which antidote is used for organophosphate poisoning? Correct answer is B. Atropine. Atropine is used to counteract the muscarinic effects of organophosphate poisoning, which inhibits acetylcholinesterase. Next question. Which of the following best defines the concept of health? Correct answer is C. State of complete physical, mental, and social well being. According to WHO, health is not merely the absence of disease but a state of overall well being. Next question. Emotional stability is included under which dimension of health? Correct answer is B. Mental. Mental health includes cognitive and emotional well-being, including the ability to cope with stress and manage emotions. Next question. Which part of the fetal skull is compressible during delivery? Correct answer is D. Frontal. The frontals are soft, compressible gaps in the fetal skull that allow for molding during childbirth. Next question. Which of the following is a component of nursing assessment? Correct answer is D. Data collection. Assessment is the first step in the nursing process and includes collecting both subjective and objective data. Next question. Which of the following is a secondary level of disaster prevention? Correct answer is B. Search and rescue. Secondary prevention in disaster management includes actions taken immediately after a disaster, such as search and rescue and early treatment to prevent complications. Next question. Prolonged exposure to loud noise in a factory is an example of. Correct answer is C. Physical hazard. Loud noise is a physical hazard that can lead to hearing loss and stress among workers. Next question. The irritational fear of heights is known as. Correct answer is B. Acrophobia. Acrophobia is the persistent and irritational fear of high places which can trigger panic attacks. Next question. Which of the following is a compulsion in OCD? Correct answer is A. Repeatedly counting items. Compulsions are repetitive behaviors like counting or hand washing performed to relieve anxiety from obsessions. Next question. The spiritual dimension of health includes. Correct answer is C. Sense of purpose and meaning in life. Spiritual health is about beliefs, values, and finding meaning, which contributes to overall well being. Next question. The diagonal conjugate is measurement from. Correct answer is A. Public symphysis to sacral promontory. The diagonal conjugate is a pelvic measurement important in assessing the adequacy of the birth canal. Next question. Anterior frontal closes by the age of. Correct answer is D. 18 months. The anterior frontal typically closes between 12 to 18 months, which is an indicator of skull and brain development. Next question. Which tool is commonly used for pain assessment? Correct answer is C. Visual analog scale VAS. VAS is a commonly used tool where the patient rates pain intensity on a scale usually from 0 to 10. Next question. In nursing assessment, subjective data refers to. Correct answer is C. Patient's own description of symptoms. Subjective data are reported by the patient, such as pain or fatigue, and cannot be measured by others. Next question. What is the primary goal during the response phase of disaster management? Correct answer is C. Immediate relief and rescue. The response phase focuses on saving lives, providing first aid, and meeting basic human needs immediately after the disaster. Next question. Which of the following is a chemical occupational hazard? Correct answer is C. Pesticide exposure. Chemical hazards include exposure to toxic substances like pesticides, which may cause poisoning or chronic diseases. Next question. The fear of open or crowded spaces is called. Correct answer is B. Agoraphobia. Agoraphobia is the fear of being in places where escape might be difficult or help unavailable in case of panic. Next question. Which of the following is an obsession in OCD? Correct answer is C. Persistent fear of dirt. Obsessions are intrusive thoughts or fears such as contamination fears that trigger compulsive behaviors. Next question. Which dimension of health is affected if a person is socially isolated? Correct answer is C. Social health involves relationships and interactions. Isolation negatively affects emotional well-being and can lead to mental health issues. Next question. The average obstetric conjugate in a female pelvis is. Correct answer is A. 9.5 centimeter. The obstetric conjugate is the shortest distance the fetal head must pass through during birth, normally around 9.5 centimeter. Next question. The posterior frontal usually closes by the age of. Correct answer is C. 2 months. The posterior frontal typically closes by 6 to 8 weeks of age, much earlier than the anterior frontal. Next question. What is the purpose of journal assessment in nursing? Correct answer is B. To collect baseline data. Journal assessment gathers initial data on physical and psychological status, which helps in planning care. Next question. Which of the following is an objective assessment finding? Correct answer is C. Nurse observes swelling. Objective data are observable and measurable signs noted by the nurse, such as swelling or temperature. Next question. The interspeneous diameter is the narrowest diameter of. Correct answer is B. Mid pelvis. The interspeneous diameter is the narrowest transverse measurement in the mid pelvis and crucial during labor progression.